Hey YouTube, what is going on? It is High Impact Productions back again with another video. Today we will be reviewing the Velocifire VM-01 mechanical gaming keyboard. This keyboard has brown switches, not cherry though, and it's a very nice solid keyboard. It is $40 on Amazon. So let's go over the basic features. It is fixed in this light blue lighting, which fixes my setup perfectly. It has different settings for LED patterns. It is function key scroll lock. So right now I have it on fixed. Now it has a fade in and out, and by pressing the arrow keys you can adjust how fast. So I have it at the fastest, and you can slow it down where it fades in and out slowly. And you can adjust the brightness with the up and down, so this is in its brightest position. It's not too bright in the daytime, but in the evening and in the dark, it's pretty nice. Then it has an intermediate darkness, and then off. And it also has two other modes, four technically. A waterfall down, a waterfall up, that doesn't really make sense. Then like they stack up on each other after cascading down, and once it gets to the top it empties. Same thing up, and then back to fixed. It has a full 104 keys, like it is a standard full-length keyboard, and it has standard multimedia keys, pause, play, skip, back, stop, and some other keys. It does have a function lock, and that will be designated by the flashing lights at the top with the num lock, caps lock, and Windows lock, which it does have a Windows lock just by pressing function in Windows. These brown switches are tactile but not clicky. They have a 45-gram key press weight, and they're pretty good all-around switches. They're not too loud and annoying. So say you're using this in an office environment, this would be a fine office keyboard. But also it would be it's a good gaming keyboard, and I really like the way the keys feel and sound. As you can see, the brown switches are not the loudest switches, and I will do a sound test. So these are pretty nice sounding keys, and the switches are pretty nice. I like them. So build quality of the keyboard is sturdy. There's minimal flex. The keyboard connects to your computer with a standard USB cable. The keyboard itself does not have any USB ports and or audio jacks. The keyboard cable is very long. It'll connect to any computer, no matter how far away it is from your keyboard. I think it's like an 8-foot cable. It's ridiculously long. It is not a braided cable. It's a standard coated cable. So all in all, I really like this keyboard, and as I said earlier, it can be picked up on Amazon for $40. They do make a shortened version of the keyboard without the number pad that is $30. So all in all, I think this is a great budget mechanical keyboard. Now it won't work for you, say if your setup is red or you just don't like blue, but it works out for me well. So anyways, this is High Impact Productions, and thank you for watching. Like if you liked the video, dislike if you didn't, and make sure to subscribe. Anyways, thank you.